This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
What is good, YouTube? It is lorShift back at it again with another banger video, y'all. As y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, we're gonna be cutting up in my 1,000 horsepower Dodge Demon on the highway, 5 or 6 o'clock traffic. As y'all can see, it is currently 5:47 p.m. We are in the Demon right now. I am on the side of the highway with my well, not the highway, but the side of the road with my hazards on, because I gotta stop and show y'all what she looking like. You feel me? We can't drive without y'all knowing what we driving. So y'all, let me show y'all what we driving real quick. So as y'all can see, we got no hood on that thing, bro. We got the purple lights, hazards on, matte black bumper. We do gotta get it wrapped. We gotta get the fenders wrapped, so just bear with me, y'all. But she's sitting real pretty right now, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna be cutting up in this beast right here, 1,000 horsepower on full E85 gas, as y'all can see. Got the big cat milk gallons in the back. Yeah, y'all, we got a red eye spoiler on that thing. Big 170 type, you know, purple lights. Yeah, so we're gonna be going crazy on this joint, bro. No hood, all you're gonna hear is straight whine. And let's get straight to it, y'all. I'm not talking no more, let's get it. Wait a second, before we actually pull off, y'all know we gotta rev a little bit. All right, let's hit the highway, y'all. We jumping right on this joint. Pause. No diddy. No diddy. Let's get it. Oh, why are we not in track mode? Hold on, y'all. I'm drawing. Oh my God. Bro, somebody move up. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this wind is crazy. There is traffic, y'all, so we might get caught in a little bit, but I'm gonna try my best. And here it is. Middle lane looking like it's moving. I'm gonna still make sure y'all hear that whine though. Oh my God, hold on, y'all. Come here, pony. Come here, pony boy. Come here, pony boy. Look at him. You don't want smoke? Of course, my camera dies while I'm cutting up. But that doesn't stop us, because we're still going to try and cut up. The Mustang did not want to race me, by the way. Like, believe it or not, he's all the way back there. I'll show y'all in a second. So, y'all, because some of y'all probably not going to believe me. No, I did not get gapped by no 5-0. The nigga is all the way back there. Just wait till he passes me. If he does, I'll show y'all. Yes, I need an alignment. My steering wheel was this way. Look, y'all, we ran into a cop. But y'all know that don't stop me from cutting up. It might, just for right now, because I got pulled over too many times. I'm gonna let the cop go ahead a little bit, y'all, and then we're gonna get back to it. This joint wanna go, bro. Of course we hit traffic. Look at him, y'all. Don't get behind me. All right, y'all, we're good. He didn't get behind me, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Tell me this wine ain't loud, bro. Like, this is crazy. Come on, bro. This traffic is so ass. Yo, he drawing. That cop is still behind me, so I don't know. I don't want to like draw. Oh my. We got a little scatty pack. We got a scatty pack. We are now off of the highway only because I gotta get gas and your boy wants some Ritas. It's like 80 degrees outside today, y'all. Y'all know I gotta stop at Ritas. Like, it's a must. Come on, scat. What the hell? Back in heavy traffic. She probably, what the hell is that? It's that shit, boy. That's that shit in that engine bay. It's that shit in that engine bay. You don't even gotta say nothing, bro. Just hit the gas. It speaks for itself, literally. That's the only thing I like about the Hellcat compared to the RT and Scat. It's literally the wine, that's it. The power, you do not need this much power on the road. As far as like the whine and the noise, I guess like that's a plus. Like, I'm barely hitting it, look. The whine is super, super loud too. I mean, obviously because the hood is off, but My window mad dirty, y'all. It's getting cleaned in like the next 10 minutes. Just let me know what mods y'all want to see me do to the car, because I want to do more mods. I really want to just say F the mods and just make it like dice. Like I want to wrap the bumper, wrap the fenders, get new side skirts, wrap them, get a front lip, and then move on to like the decal on the side and lights and all that other stuff. So once we dice the car, like by like next month, we're good. There we go. Come on, bro. What's up? What's up? Huh? It's no space. What's good, bro? Oh my God, dog. Like, of course, bro. You know who I am. What's good, bro? My tires bald as shit. My tires are bad. Yeah, I mean, we can run it though. All right, come on. Yo. Yo, it's like when I hit the gas, bro, the tire just want to spin out. Like the car, like it's like when it upshifts, the car goes like this. Cause my tires are so bad. So I had to ease on that joint. We gotta get a highway run though, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see me catching up to him though. It was getting to that point. Appreciate you, Brody. Alright, be safe. Hopefully ain't no cops watching this joint, bro. We definitely just got back. I got my radiator fan kicking on. The damn temp's going up. We back for the 18th time. Oh, we in the back row with it, y'all. Man, listen. Alright, y'all, we are getting ready to reach our destination. So I'm gonna catch y'all at nighttime. Let's do one more pull. Oh my God. I'm gonna catch y'all at nighttime. And we're gonna do a night POV for a little bit longer. So stay tuned, because it's not over yet. But we are gonna have windshield tint as well, so it might be a little darker, but all right, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. All right, y'all, as you can see, we are finally back in the Demon at dark. Yes, we got our windshield tinted again. Finally, no more of that fishbowl stuff. And guys, I got some bad news, all right? So, unfortunately, right, it just stopped raining. It literally just stopped raining, and my hood is still off. So hopefully we do not get caught back into a storm, because I think we're driving the direction that the storm went. So hopefully we don't get hit with that, John. It currently just stopped raining. We're getting ready to hit the highway, and hopefully we can actually still cut up. My tires are bald, the ground is wet, so I'm not gonna go too crazy because this is how I crashed my Scat Pack. I just want to end the video at nighttime so y'all can see. All right, we got the stars going, we got the ambient lighting going, we got the SRT steering wheel, you feel me? We locked in. I don't even think I could take this ramp, but I'm supposed to. Oh yeah, we're good. Hopefully y'all can see everything. We gotta hurry up before it starts pouring on us. Y'all can't really see nothing, so I'm probably gonna end it shortly. Yeah, you dead ass cannot see nothing, bro. There's also no lights on this highway right now. Maybe I should have done this with the windshield untinted. Is that a cop? Oh no, it's not a cop. Alright, y'all, if y'all want a part 2 at nighttime with better lighting, let me know. We're unfortunately gonna end this because the ground is wet, my tent is dark as hell, there's no highway lights. There's a little bit now, but and also I'm honestly just really pissed off because something just hit my car and I don't know what it was. So if you're watching this right now, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video on your story. You feel me? And I'm gonna continue to drop. I got another video coming, another video on the way. You feel me? I got a lot of things in mind, so we just gonna keep dropping, bro, whenever. I'm gonna try my best to be consistent. It's your boy lorShift, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video. So make sure y'all hit that bell. Do not miss any of my drops. Go follow my Instagram too. It's LORSHIFT. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.